Hello you lovelies, this is a very quick video. I just want to show you how to make a wonderful salted caramel sauce. And it's actually super simple, super quick, and I have got one in my fridge all the time. Because I love pancakes, I love the weekend, I love indulging. And you know what, you don't need an excuse to have salted caramel sauce at home because it's really just the best thing ever, let's face it. And it's actually only got 4 ingredients, so it's super fast to make. All you need is some butter. Pop in some unsalted butter, because I want to decide exactly how much salt I add in. So I use unsalted butter to start with, because then I can judge exactly how salted I want my salted caramel sauce. And then we're going to use some brown sugar, demerara sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar even works for this one, as long as it's a dark sugar. I use double cream or thickened cream. That's really important because you need enough fat content to create the thickness of the sauce. And then just a little bit of salt. So I just add a bit of sea salt flakes like that, and then I judge it later on, and you could always just add a bit more and then stir it in. But I think just a pinch usually does the job. And all you need to do is pop it on, take the lid off. I tend to cook it for around 9 minutes. Now, if you like it ever so slightly thicker or darker, you could go for an extra 3 minutes if you wanted to. It does tend to instantly go quite a lot darker, but it tastes really nice. So I go on Varoma on my speed 2, and I'm going to leave this. The salted caramel sauce is already done, and it's smelling wonderful. I'm so excited for it. I wish I had some pancakes with me right now so I could actually just drizzle it on. Or really, I mean, do you need a reason to have salted caramel sauce, or can you just actually spoon it on and just have it? I mean, I think I'll just do that, wouldn't I? It's either way really lovely. It's got a really good consistency right now. It'll always thicken up as it cools down as well. And if you did want a darker color, you could of course use first we could use a darker colored sugar, or you could also use a little bit more cooking time, up to 3 minutes more I'd say, and you get a nice darker sauce. This is of course not caramelized as a caramelization process goes, because obviously we can't heat up much higher than 120 degrees. But this is a really lovely caramel sauce as far as you can tell, with the nice pancakes or a nice waffle or just on top of ice cream, and it's perfect. And then basically that's it. It's a wonderful, really nice consistency. It should do exactly that. And tastes exactly like salted caramel. And I like the amount of salt that's in there right now. But if you don't like it, or if you feel like you need to add some more, this is the point where you do it, and then you just whisk it a little bit until it's incorporated, and that's all you need. This one stores well in the fridge for probably about a month. You can, if you have stored it in the fridge and it becomes a bit more solid, pop it in a bowl that's filled with boiling water, and then you just essentially leave it in your jar in that boiling water for a few minutes. It will soften nicely, and then you can spread it or pour it really nicely over your pancakes. And while I enjoy some more of this beautiful salted caramel sauce, which by the way is already changing in color as you can see, you guys can go ahead and make that at home, and I'll see you next time for another really delicious, mouth-watering video.